YouTubers, what's up? It's been a while, but I'm back. Yeah, so a lot's been going on. I've been doing a lot of research and stuff on this notary business. I'm compiling a whole bunch of stuff. I'm just going through the motions with all of that. So that explains a little bit of where I have been for a little while now. But anyway, I'm back, and I wanted to talk to you guys today about how many stocks you should have starting out in your portfolio. So but before I get into that, I just want to thank you guys for clicking onto this video. I really appreciate it. If you could drop a like and hit the bell so you can know when I make another video. So let's get into it. How many stocks should you have starting out? In my opinion, I believe it should be between 1 and 3. Why between 1 and 3? Because you want to maximize your gains as much as possible. So if you have like an amazing stock that you love and stuff like that, so like why spread out over, I say over like several or more than like 6 stocks or 5 or 6 stocks when you're starting out, because if you don't have a certain amount of money to start out with. But if you're starting out like, like how I was back, a year ago, get one stock, watch that thing, and invest as much as you can into that one stock. Because if you do your research, the amount of gains that you're going to get from your research, should be sufficient, so that once you get these gains, like you can reinvest them. Like that's like the goal, so that you can keep compiling and growing your portfolio over time. But yeah, so like just between 1 and 3 stocks, because, and then another thing, it's going to be hard to keep up with more than 3 stocks when you're starting out, because a lot of stuff is going to be new. You're going to be learning things that you don't know of, and you're going to be trying to research the stock, and you're trying to go, you just don't want to get lost in the sauce right there. You definitely want to get lost in the sauce right there. So that's what I think, how many you should have starting out. When do you add to it? Okay, this is the next thing I want to talk about. When do you add to your portfolio? You only add starting out. You only add once you get a certain amount of, I would say, gains or capital. Or if you, let's say you got a business or you have a job or something like that, and you have consistent revenue coming in, then you can kind of get an idea of what you want to, what's the word I'm looking for? The amount you want to invest, either weekly or monthly or something like that. And that'll be stuff like that can help you determine when you should add another position to your account. And I think that's something that, is with the investor, like everybody invests different. So adding to your position is a no-brainer, but adding a different position to your portfolio should consist of research first, watching it on your watch list, and then adding it to your account, because you want to see where it's going. You don't want to just get in because you like it, but the stock is tanking. Then if you buy it, then you're not going to get green lights. You're going to get red in your account, and you want to try to maximize the green in your account. So and the way to maximize that, another way is to diversify. Diversify. Yeah, don't just get all stocks. Get an ETF, get mutual funds, some bonds or mutual funds. Did I say mutual funds? Yeah, mutual funds, bonds, all these things, and then look over the different indexes or index funds. Yeah, you don't want to limit yourself to one area or one sector. So definitely take advantage of diversifying. It's just going to help you out in the long run. And like, don't get all tech stocks like how I started out with. uh, yeah, so you know, you don't want to do that, because like once if that, let's say it's in a, like the market is in a correction and they hitting tech hard, like this happened to me, that's why I know. Then that account is gonna, your account is gonna take a hit, like a bad hit. But you know, obviously I was diversified, you know, with the, you know, by that time, so I was fine. But yeah, so yeah, man, that's what I think, man. This short video, it's kind of, you know, simple thing to, you know, to do when it comes to how many stocks you should hold, you know, in the beginning, or how many stocks should you get in your portfolio. Yeah, like get those things, let it sit for a year, you know, or 6 months, 6 months to a year. Get 1 to 3, let that thing sit for a year, and then, or for 6 months, reevaluate your gains, see where you at, see where you can reinvest at. Compound interest. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see it compound. I promise you. I promise you. It will grow. All right, man. This your boy EK, Financial EK, the bridge to financial literacy. I'm out, man. Also, before I go, I open up a store, online store, so you guys can check out the official merch that I have available. That'll be in the description below. Whenever you get a chance, check that out. And yeah, holla at your boy. Let me know how you like the merchandise, and let me know if you have any ideas on how many stocks you think you should hold, or you know, or maybe some advice I didn't give, or whatever. Yeah, so thank you for making this far in the video. If you did, I appreciate you. Thank you if you dropped a like. If you don't, if you didn't, you can do it now. Drop that like. And I'm out, man. I'm gonna move on to the next one. I'm gonna get me some food. Just got off work. I'm about to clock back in on myself. Invest in yourself. Makes you feel great, and it pays off in the end. All right, man. I'm out.